Welcome to my channel Global Car, where we talk about the latest cars, SUVs, and future mobility trends from around the world. If you love powerful off-road vehicles with luxury features, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because today's video is all about the 2026 GWM Tank 500 SUV, a vehicle that is shaking up the full-size SUV segment with bold design, serious off-road ability, and premium comfort. The 2026 GWM Tank 500 is designed to compete directly with legendary SUVs, and at first glance, it clearly means business. The exterior design is strong and commanding, with a large chrome grille, squared-off proportions, and a high stance that gives it a true body-on-frame SUV presence. LED headlights and tail lights add a modern touch, while the muscular wheel arches and tall ground clearance highlight its off-road DNA. This is an SUV that looks just as confident cruising through the city as it does tackling rough terrain. Step inside the Tank 500, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a luxury SUV than a hardcore off-roader. High-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and premium leather seats give the interior a refined feel. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital instrument cluster and a wide infotainment screen that supports modern connectivity features like smartphone integration, navigation, and voice controls. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and multi-zone climate control make the cabin feel comfortable and upscale, especially on long journeys. When it comes to space, the 2026 GWM Tank 500 offers a roomy interior for both passengers and luggage. The rear seats provide generous legroom and headroom, making it suitable for families and long road trips. The boot space is practical and versatile, and with the rear seats folded down, you get even more room for adventure gear, luggage, or camping equipment. Under the hood, the Tank 500 offers powerful engine options designed to deliver strong performance both on-road and off-road. Depending on the market, it may come with a turbocharged petrol engine, a hybrid powertrain, or even advanced electrified options. These engines are paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a capable four-wheel drive system. Power delivery is strong, allowing the SUV to handle highways effortlessly while still having the torque needed for challenging off-road conditions. Off-road capability is where the GWM Tank 500 truly shines. It comes equipped with advanced four-wheel drive technology, multiple terrain modes, locking differentials, and a robust suspension system. Features like hill descent control, off-road driving modes, and high ground clearance make it ideal for mud, sand, rocks, and steep trails. Whether you're exploring mountains, deserts, or unpaved roads, the Tank 500 is built to handle it with confidence. Safety is another strong point of the 2026 GWM Tank 500. It includes a wide range of advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree camera support. These features not only improve safety but also make daily driving more relaxed and stress-free, especially in traffic or tight parking situations. One of the biggest advantages of the Tank 500 is its value for money. Compared to other full-size luxury off-road SUVs, GWM offers a competitive price while still delivering premium features, powerful performance, and serious off-road credentials. This makes it an attractive option for buyers who want luxury and toughness without paying a premium brand price. In summary, the 2026 GWM Tank 500 SUV is a bold and impressive vehicle that blends rugged off-road capability with modern luxury and technology. It's designed for drivers who want adventure without sacrificing comfort, style, or safety. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone looking for a powerful and refined SUV, the Tank 500 is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 GWM Tank 500, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow car lovers, and subscribe to the channel for more future car updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.